my name is Srishti, and today with me I have someone who is very special and multi-talented actor, producer, and director Vivek Vashwani. Hello, sir. Welcome to Human Ping.
Hi,
And
Srishti. Thank you for calling me.
yeah. Also, I want to congratulate you for Scam 1992. I have seen your previous work. Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about your upcoming project, Flight. Yeah. So, which character you are playing in that movie?
So you see, जो producer और director हैं सूरज और मोहित, और जो actor है मोहित, they have kept only Mohit in the promos because 65% of the film is about Mohit, and they have kept the other characters a surprise. So I thought let the audience get surprised, because normally they see me playing a Parsi or a Sindhi. This is a completely different character. I hope the audience likes it because they wrote it with a lot of love for me. So I'm actually very happy doing this. I'm very excited to see that my film is coming on the big screen after so long.
Can you give us some clue what character you're playing? What kind of character you're playing?
I am playing one of the villains of the film.
Okay.
And there's a bunch of us. And of course, Mohit is the hero. And Mohit or Suraj were my assistants. Then they became my friends. From Z Cinestars Ki Khoj to a film called Dulha Mil Gaya, which I produced. And right then, after that, they produced their own company called Crazy Boys Entertainment. So दोस्ती तो 20 साल की है, और I am like a father figure. तो जब ये picture बनाने आए, we always wanted it should be big screen entertainment. So they said, sir, you're with us. I said, I'm always with you. Don't worry. ये जो आपने मुझे narrate किया है बहुत ही मुश्किल है. It's a difficult film. It's not easy to create this kind of special effects. It's not a cheap film. It's very expensive to do all these things. But अब करना है तो चलो, let's do it. So we did it. और फिर फिल्म के बाद ऑफर्स आने लगे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म से. तो मैंने कहा मोहित इतने सारे ऑफर्स आ रहे हैं. तो मोहित ने कहा नहीं सर, बड़े स्क्रीन पे ही पिक्चर दिखाएंगे. फिर और बड़े कैरेक्टर्स ऑफर्स आने लगे. तो फिर मैंने कहा नहीं सर, हम बड़े स्क्रीन पे ही आएंगे. तो फिल्म फिर एक दिन कहा कि हम डॉल्बी एटमॉस पे इसका साउंड मिक्स करेंगे, क्योंकि बड़े पर्दे पे आना. यशराज स्टूडियोज में हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं, अनुज माथुर. उन्होंने इसको पूरा कर दिया हमारे लिए. और उसके बाद बड़ी स्क्रीन की तैयारियां हो रही, तो कोविड हो गई. अब कोविड एक साल जब चला तो बहुत ही टेंशन थे. ऑफर्स फिर भी आने लगे थे, लेकिन एक ख्वाहिश था, एक ख्वाब था, एक अरमान थी कि हम बहुत बड़े पर्दे पे आएंगे. एंड दिस फिल्म इज मेंट फॉर द बिग स्क्रीन ओनली. तो वो एक जिद.
So you can feel the whole thing. Like जब मैंने ट्रेलर देखा, so it looks similar to Trap. मतलब एक इंसान पे स्टोरी, जैसे ट्रैप में राजकुमार राव पे ही पूरी स्टोरी है. So मुझे लगा कि उस मूवी एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन पे है, बट जो आफ्टर इफेक्ट एंड वीएफएक्स जो यूज किए गए सब सारी चीजें दिखाने के लिए, that is something new and you can experience that in cinema hall, not in movies. छोटे स्क्रीन पे नहीं कर सकते.
फिर जब हमने फाइनली एक सपना साकार किया कि 2 तारीख को रिलायंस एंटरटेनमेंट के थ्रू ये फिल्म कम से कम 5, 6, 7, 800 सिनेमा में तो आएगी. तो इट्स अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू फॉर सूरज, इट्स अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू फॉर मोहित, इट्स अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू फॉर मी, इट्स अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू फॉर एवरीवन इन्वॉल्व्ड विद दिस मूवी. सो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द मूवी. Suraj or Mohit, I'm very, very proud of both of them. Suraj has turned out to be an extraordinary director. Mohit has given a great performance. It is not easy to handle 2 hours of a film solo on your shoulders. एक नया लड़का, एक नया एक्टर 2 घंटे अपने कंधों पे किया, बहुत अच्छी तरह से किया, डंके के चोट पे किया. So I'm very proud. I'm only waiting for the second now.
Okay.
Let's see what.
Yeah, sir, since everyone know you are multi-talented, you are doing a lot of things, but I want to ask you, आपने काफी सारे अलग-अलग काम किए हैं, but आपको सबसे मजा क्या करने में आता है? Acting, direction, production, क्या आपका first preference क्या है?
Teaching.
Teaching.
First preference is teaching. Right now, I am the dean of the School of Contemporary Media at Pearl Academy. I have two campuses in Delhi, one in Bombay, one in Bangalore. As a dean, I teach also. I counsel the children. क्योंकि मैंने सोचा कि ये मैं 40 साल से तो already कर रहा हूँ. All my movies have been directed by first-time directors. All my movies have had first-time actors in them. Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman for Shah Rukh Khan, Patthar Ke Phool for Raveena Tandon. So many of them. Dilip Joshi for Sir Aankhon Par, now Mohit in Flight. So I realized that I was not making films for myself. I was not making films for my satisfaction. I was not making films for my ego. I was not making films for my profit. I was making films so that my children, my students, those who depended on me would get a platform so that they could build their careers on that particular platform.
Yeah.
Those who have listened to me in terms of knowledge, in terms of hard work, have all prospered, and most of them have. So when I was offered the deanship of Pearl Academy, I said yes immediately. And I'm really happy. Through lockdown, I was very busy. I was with my children, I was teaching them, I was mentoring them, I was sitting and figuring out events for them to do online. So I'm very happy, and I've always been happy when I'm teaching. I've always been inspired by the younger children, and I've been working 18 hours a day even today, which I think is cool after 40 years of working. And I will now be teaching, mentoring on the one hand. I will also be producing on the other hand. So let's hope that as long as things happen, I will be able to.
Sir, what do you think? Are you promoting a new talent? Because काफी समय पहले जब शाहरुख सर को आपने लॉन्च किया था, उनको काफी लोगों से मिलाया था, उस टाइम भी शाहरुख सर काफी नए थे, और अभी मोहित. Yeah. So what do you think? Are you trying to take new talents in this field?
I'm not really actually thinking it from that terms.
Okay.
Shahrukh needed me, and it was only fair as a friend that I give him whatever I could.
Yeah.
I did not guarantee that he would become a star, but he was my friend. He needed the film. I didn't even look at his photos. He asked me, "तुम मेरी photo देखो?" मैं कहा, "Photo क्या देखना है भाई?" तो decide किया है. But the main thing is that the only thing I've asked of them, Ashutosh Gawarikar in Gavahi, my assistant Sanjay Gupta, Sanjay Gadvi, Vinay Jain in Patthar Ke Phool, Jatin Lalit in Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman, Aziz Mirza, सबसे मैंने एक चीज की है कि जब आप कामयाब बने तो आप आगे चल के ये बांटते हैं, जैसे मैं बांटता रहता हूँ. So I think I have set up a legacy which I'm very proud of. Yeah. It is not a legacy of Mercedes. It is not a legacy of how many flats I have bought. मैं ट्रेन और बस में ट्रैवल करता हूँ आज भी. मैं कॉलेज जाता हूँ, मैं बच्चों के साथ बात करता हूँ. I inspire them. And I'm actually doing this very selfishly because I'm happy. A lot of people say, "अरे विवेक जी, इतने सालों के बाद Mercedes नहीं है क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ. I don't want it." They say, "But why don't you want it?" So I say, "Be honest. Once I have a Mercedes, मैं नौकर बन जाऊंगा. उसको साफ करो, ड्राइवर को संभालो, डेंट, एज, सर्विस, यार it's like मतलब एक कुत्ते को पालने के बराबर है. It takes up your time. I don't have that energy. I would much rather sit in a taxi or a bus and reach my destination because it's not important. My legacy is a legacy of teaching and learning. My legacy is a legacy of people who came from nowhere, with no thought that they could even do something like this. And they've gone ahead and they have done it. That's the legacy. You know, other people have different legacies. They have fleets of cars, they have their own aeroplane, they have fancy wardrobe, they spend 6 crore rupees a year on their publicity and marketing. My legacy is only my children. And whether it was Shah Rukh or even Ashutosh then, or Irfan Khan, the director or the actor, up to all the people who acted in Rough Book like Ram Kapoor, etc. This is the legacy. और मेरे बच्चे इतने अच्छे हैं कॉलेज में, आगे चल के बहुत सारे नए टैलेंट आप देखने वाले हैं जो मैं मेंटोर करूंगा.
सर, आपके लिए मुझे लगता है एक जोहरी को ही हीरे की परख होती है. जो आपने जितने भी लोग को प्रमोट किया है, सारे एक अच्छी पोजीशन पर है अभी.
एक्चुअली क्या है ना, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल इक्वेशन. मैं उनका पैशन देखता हूँ, और अगर पैशन है तो हार्ड वर्क विल फॉलो. क्योंकि आपको किसी भी चीज का एक पैशन है For example, if your passion is lipstick, you will save all your money and then run and buy new lipstick because passion. If your passion is liquor, you will save your money and go and find lockdown में भी ढूंढ के beer मिलेगी. Whatever your passion is, you will run after it. I won't.
Yeah.
So the moment I see the passion, I know there will be hard work. The moment I know there will be hard work, I know there will be success. What is left is a little bit of grooming, training, polishing, which I do. So if they are successful, chahe Shahrukh ho ya chahe Mohit ho, I can take 0.5% of the success percentage. 99.5% is Shahrukh's own hard work and passion, Mohit's own hard work and passion, everyone's hard work and passion. I can't take credit for that. That's.
Yeah. Sir, I have seen your lot of interviews where you're talking about other people, kaise kya kiya, but I want to know your journey. आपने कैसे start किया? Your untold story.
मैं जब 5 साल की उम्र में एक पिक्चर देखने गया था, साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, शायद 4.5 साल का था, चाहे 5 साल का था, और मुझे जाना नहीं था, लेकिन फैमिली में कोई शादी थी, सब दोपहर को संडे के दिन जाके पिक्चर देखने वाले थे. उन दिनों में तो और कुछ था ही नहीं ना, मुझे नहीं जाना था, तो they just took me and they put me in a bag and they said, चलो अभी यार, एक अकेले बच्चे को थोड़ी घर छोड़ सकते हैं. और पिक्चर आउटस्टैंडिंग थी, 70 mm म्यूजिक, लड़कियां लड़के गाना गा रहे हैं. मैंने ऐसे देखा उस पिक्चर को, फिर मैं सिनेमा से बाहर जाना ही नहीं चाहा. तो मैंने अपने फादर को बोला, मैंने कहा, डैड, आई एम गोइंग टू बी अ फिल्म मेकर. ही सेड, फैंटास्टिक, गो एंड बी अ फिल्म मेकर. जब मैं 18 साल का था, आई सेड, डैड, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बी अ फिल्म मेकर. इसे तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया. मैंने कहा, क्या हुआ? When I was 5, you said I could. He said, उस वक्त तुम 5 साल के थे, अब बड़े हो गए हो, अब सिनेमा नहीं कर सकते. तो मैंने कहा, क्यों? अगर आप 3 बार साल में डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो और कहते हो ये अच्छा प्रोफेशन है, और 50 बार साल में सिनेमा में जाते हो और कहते हो ये प्रोफेशन नहीं है, तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. तो मेरे फादर ने समझाया कि हमको डर लगता है ना, हमको ये सारी चीजें नहीं आती हैं, तो जाहिर है कि हमको डर लगेगा हमारा बच्चा कहीं जा रहा है. मैंने कहा, 1-2 साल मुझे दे दीजिए, अगर मैं कामयाब नहीं बना वापस ही आ जाऊंगा ना, कहाँ जाऊंगा. So my father gave me blessings. I started by doing ad films. I started by doing theater. बहुत सारे प्लेस किए. फिर एक सीरियल आई खानदान, और श्रीराम लागू साहब बहुत जायंट एक्टर थे, वो मेरे फादर का रोल किया. तनुजा जी थी, नीना गुप्ता प्लेड माय सिस्टर, रीता भादुरी, शेखर कपूर, दे वर ऑल देयर. एंड खानदान के बाद मैंने अपना एक सीरियल बनाया, नई दिशाएं, जो राहुल गांधी राजीव गांधी ने सैंक्शन किया, कि मैं जिद करके उसके ऑफिस के बाहर खड़ा रहा कि जब तक आप सैंक्शन नहीं करेंगे तब तक मैं बॉम्बे वापस नहीं जाऊंगा. उसके बाद मेरी मराठी फिल्म की सिपाही किस, उसके बाद पत्थर के फूल रवीना टंडन को लॉन्च किया था. उसके बाद राजू बन गया जेंटलमैन, कूली नंबर 1, आतिश, फिर एक ब्रेक लिया, जबान संभाल के थी 2 साल तक टीवी में, फिर सर आंखों पर, दिल में प्यार व्यार, अंग्रेजी पिक्चर, करते 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 पता नहीं कितने लोगों को लॉन्च करते करते मैं पहुंच गया पर्ल एकेडमी, और मैं लॉट का लॉट लॉन्च करता. So that's actually my journey. It's a journey of teaching and education. It's a very simple man who travels by bus and train. I'm fond of nothing except food. और फूड वो भी 5-star होटल नहीं वाला, ढाबा वाला खाना अच्छा लगता है, इंटरेस्टिंग खाना अच्छा लगता है, पारसी खाना अच्छा लगता है. And it is a great deal of faith that I have in God. I firmly believe that if we actually make God into the person we should follow, He will guide us the right way. बस खत्म होती है बात. उसके बाद क्या है, जो मैं अपना काम है मैं करता हूँ, जो ऊपर वाले का काम है वो करता है, और सब कुछ ठीक अपने आप हो जाती है. That is it.
So what kind of things you are teaching in Pearl Academy? What subject?
See, the School of Contemporary Media means that we have to understand media, which is actually my specialty. So media means communication. So radio is a channel of communication, television is a channel of communication, cinema is a channel of communication, print media is a channel of communication, internet and digital platforms are channels of communication. So I have created baskets, radio, television, cinema, internet, etc. ये baskets हैं. अब आप थोड़ा सा इनको अलग रखेंगे तो we will realize there are creative careers in cinema, direction, writing, acting. These are creative careers. Music. So there are creative careers on radio, there are creative careers on television, there are creative careers in cinema, there are creative careers everywhere. Then there are the business careers, syndication, production, management. Then there are the technical careers, camera, sound, edit, etc. Then there are the management careers, talent management, celebrity management, multiplex management. Then there are the ancillary careers, makeup, hair, etc. So सारा एक बहुत बड़ा bundle आपके सामने आ जाता है of different careers in different spheres of media. तो मैं उसको एक decode करता हूँ, demystify करता हूँ, ताकि बच्चे और उनके पेरेंट्स को समझ में आए कि ये कोई रैंडम चीज नहीं है मीडिया में कहीं मेरा बच्चा जाके भटक जाएगा. देयर आर क्लियर करियर्स, देयर इज अ क्लियर डिमार्केशन. सो मैं वो करता हूँ.
Okay. Okay. Would you like to share some good memories with Shahrukh sir?
Oh, there were lots of good memories. The good memories were when I first met him. He came and stayed with me. We used to go and eat. There were sad memories. We went to Gaylord restaurant. That was when he told me his mother was dying and there was nothing he could do about it because it was multiple organ failure. There were good times when he went and got married to Gauri in Delhi. I went for the wedding. And then we had a honeymoon in Darjeeling where I was shooting Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman. So Gauri came and his honeymoon was in Darjeeling. We were shooting that song Dil Hai Mera Deewana Yaaron Mein Tu Chala. There were bad memories when some of his films flopped and we used to talk about them, analyze them. Great memories of the premiere of Bazigar, of Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, when we knew these films would be tremendously successful. So there have been good memories, bad memories. 2 साल पहले लॉकडाउन के 1 साल पहले उन्हें फोन किया कि मेरे बर्थडे पार्टी में आ जाओ. मैंने कहा शाहरुख मैं बस और ट्रेन में घूमने वाला टीचर हूँ, बहुत खुश हूँ. आपके घर में फिर आपकी पार्टी 11 बजे स्टार्ट होगी, अगले दिन मुझे स्कूल पे जाना. तो ये only said one thing. He said, Vivek, come, I want my children to meet. तो मैंने फिर उसके बाद आर्ग्यू नहीं किया. मैं पहुंच गया. I was with him all night. He was with me. I met his children. Very fine children. I met old friends, Gauri, Shahrukh's sister Lala. I sat with her that evening. I met a lot of old friends. Aziz Mirza's son, Harun, Juhi's husband, Jay, Ramesh Taurani from Tips, Balki Saab, Anand Rai, who was making Zero that year. It was wonderful. So my friendships have always remained wonderful in the film industry. My friendships outside the film industry also have remained very, very valuable. So life could not be better. There is a film that I'm mentoring, which is being directed by Anant Mahadevan, which is a Marathi film called Avni. Okay. There is another film that I'm mentoring again for Anant Mahadevan, which I can't tell you about because it's a big film. It's a Hindi film. Okay. There's a couple of web series which I'm acting in. There's a friend of mine from Delhi called Mr. PJ Singh. I'm mentoring his film for his company. 2 films actually. So there are 6 or 7 films in the pipeline, which though I'm not the producer, I will be casting, I will be budgeting, I will be making sure कि वो पिक्चरें बन जाती हैं, अच्छी तरह से बन जाती हैं, release तक. There is of course Pearl Academy, which takes up 90% of my time because I'm the dean. बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है क्योंकि बच्चे जिम्मेदारी होती है, बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी तो होती है. फ्लाइट के बाद जो भी मोहित और सूरज बनाएंगे वो तो मेरी ही पिक्चर होगी. So it is looking very, very bright in the future. Lots of work is there. Bright, I don't mean Mercedes आएगी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन definitely बहुत बहुत काम है अभी.
Would you like to say anything to our viewers and your fans?
I would love to tell my viewers and my fans that 2 things. One is that I didn't get here by accident. It was clearly thought out. Please plan your life. First, make a plan and then work the plan. I think those of you who think that becoming the next Shah Rukh Khan or the next Mohit Chadha is not possible, think again. It is very easy. If you are willing to work hard, nothing is impossible. Absolutely nothing is impossible. So that is the only message I'd like to give them, because it's not about talent, etc., etc. Finally, if you see the amount of work that Mohit and Suraj have put into Flight, the amount of work that Shah Rukh put into his career, the amount of work that all of people whom I have mentored have put in, you will see that it is the mehnat that takes you away. Oh, I don't have money. Oh, I'm not talented enough. Oh, I'm fat. Oh, I'm old. Nothing. Your hard work will take you everywhere. That's the only message I have.
I agree with you that the hard work takes us anywhere. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to talking to us. Hope to see you soon on screen as a villain. Yeah. It's releasing on 2nd of April, right?
2nd of April in a cinema close to you. Go see it in the cinema. First day, first show.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.